Hi guys, welcome to another super duper edition of Time Out with Oluyomi Martins. I'm your very main guy, Oluyomi Martins from the city of Lagos, Nigeria once again. And on this channel, you know what we do. We talk about finance, we talk about passive income, we talk about business, and everything to put that money in your Gucci bag. And on this occasion, on this edition rather, I'm going to be talking about understanding insurance claims, especially when it comes to your motor insurance. What's your motor insurance for starters? I did a video which I'm going to link in the description section, right, for you to look at as regards compulsory insurance in Nigeria particularly, and it's also, you know, something similar happens in, you know, other countries of the world as well, right? Vehicle insurance or motor insurance or car insurance is one of those insurance that can actually get you a prison sentence in Nigeria, and that's the truth. Now, if you have a claim, you have an accident, what happens? Before I tell you what happens, do me a favor. Take just 10 seconds, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, right? Leave me a comment whether you have experienced, you know, you have had the need to make an insurance claim in the first place, right? Fantastic. Thank you. Have you done? Are you sure? Are you sure? Should I go right ahead? Okay, I'm going right ahead because I know you've done that for me. Fantastic. Now, something happened to me recently, right? I was driving along the streets of Lagos, and you know I would drive in Lagos and all that stuff. And someone hit my car. I had a third-party insurance. But before I even continue that story, let me tell you, there are three major types of insurance, well, as it operates in Nigeria. There is your third-party insurance, where the protection is for the third party, not the person, the policy holder, right? The policy holder is the person that goes to the insurance company to get an insurance policy. Now, the third party is another person that probably hits your car. That hits your car, not probably. Obviously, it happened. You understand? Now, that's the third party insurance. Now, in between the third party insurance and the comprehensive insurance for your vehicle, there is a middle layer that most insurance companies have, and that is called the third party fire and theft. Now, for the third party fire and theft, right, it protects you against fire and theft, but will not protect you if you have an accident. It will only repair the third party's vehicle. That's why it's called third party fire and theft. Now, the comprehensive insurance is the most wonderful one. For the comprehensive insurance, you are totally covered. For fire, burglary, theft, blah, 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 you're totally covered. Right? Now, as it operates in Nigeria presently, the National Insurance Commission has standardized things. For the third-party insurance, you pay 15,000 as at 2024. So if you're watching this video, probably 2025, 2026, it might not be the same thing of terrible. You get what I mean? Now, for the third-party fire and theft, you pay 3% of the insured value. And for the last category, which is the comprehensive insurance, you pay 5% of the insured value. That means if you insured your vehicle for 1 million naira, you'll be paying, guess what? Can you do the calculation? 10% of 1 million is 100,000. 5% of 1 million is 50,000. So you got it right. You got it right. That's how much you'll be paying. Now, you have an accident. How do you make your claim? You're not supposed to fight the next person. You're not supposed to fight the next person because an accident has occurred. You have a cover. You have a cover. Number one, the first thing I expect you to do is to come out of your vehicle when the accident has occurred. Take a picture from all angles immediately that accident occurs. From the front side, the back side, the sides. Take a picture. If you can record a video also of all around the vehicle in front, the vehicle at the back, don't bother arguing or shouting. Do you understand? That is the first thing to do. Either take pictures from all angles possible or do a video from all angles possible at the scene of the accident. That is number one. Number two, take the details of the third party involved in that accident, right? Take the details of that of the third party involved in the accident. What details will you take? Number one, snap a copy of his driver's license to be sure of his identity. Number two, snap a copy of his insurance policy. Whether he has a comprehensive insurance, whether he has a third party insurance, it doesn't matter. Just take a picture of his policy, right? That is number two. There is no big deal. Just take a picture. You ask me, what about if the person does not have an insurance policy? Well, that is a serious offense, but no big deal. Don't bother. If the person does not have an insurance policy, you already have a copy of his driver's license. You already also have taken his phone number, and you should confirm on that scene that that phone number is correct, right? Please don't leave the scene without confirming that the phone number is correct, right? Now, the next thing to do is head to the nearest police station closest to the scene of the accident and go and make a police report. A police report is essential for every accident that occurs. They will book an entry for the event that happened, give you a copy of the police report. Now it is with that police report, the pictures that you have taken, the credentials of the third party that you have taken, that you now head to your insurance company, right? If you have a third party insurance and you are the one guilty, you head to your insurance company will pay the third party. If you have a comprehensive insurance, your insurance company would repair your vehicle and repair, the third party's vehicle as well. Now you ask me, that is for accident. Obviously, you have to fill some forms. That's normal. You have to fill some forms. They will also have to get a loss adjuster to review the case, as in look at who is at fault, stuff like that, evaluate the cost of repair and all that stuff. That's the job of a loss adjuster. Now, that is for an accident. I think I've handled everything, right? Don't you think? I've handled everything. I've told you what to do immediately the accident occurred. I've told you what to obtain on the scene, at the scene of the accident, and you making a police report and all that. So I've told you all the juicy stuff, and you heading to your insurance company and ensuring you fill out the forms, give them all the credentials of the third party and all that stuff. That's done. Now, in case your vehicle is stolen, it's as simple as the same thing. There is always a period for a search, and most insurance companies also have trackers in vehicles. So a police investigation will first take place to see whether the vehicle can be, recovered and all that. So, and if it cannot be recovered, right, they would pay you back and reinstate you to, the position you were in the first place. So that's the wonderful part of making claims. It's actually a straightforward process. So you don't need to worry at all. Insurance cover you any day, anytime. If you love this kind of content that I produce, please smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, so you always be the first person to get contents like this. And ensure you drop me a comment. Have you ever had an accident and you had difficulty in making claims? I'm an investment advisor for an A-list insurance company in Nigeria. I can help you with your third-party comprehensive insurance, right? Just fill the form in the description section, or send me a WhatsApp message in the description section, and I will get back to you on, the right policy that you can have based on your needs and all that stuff. So until I see you again, I remain yours sincerely, Oluyomi Martins, from the city of Lagos, Nigeria. Take care of yourself. Bye for now.